everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to my annual Halloween Get Ready With Me. I have no clue how many of these I have done on my channel, but I started this tradition of doing Halloween videos in 2015, and since then I've kept it up. I've done lookbooks, costume ideas, Get Ready With Me's. I've stuck to the Get Ready With Me for quite a few years now. Honestly, I have no clue what number this is, but I've been doing them for quite a few years. This year's video, however, is a little bit different. Like my original Halloween video in 2015, I am shooting on a different camera than I normally shoot on. So over the weekend, my camera lens decided it did not want to work. It malfunctioned and got stuck in the mechanism, or whatever camera technology happens, and it did not want to work. So I am stuck using my Nikon DSLR. It is my big boy camera, as I call it, and I'm using like a 50mm lens, so it makes the background very pretty, and I had to like set it up. And this is why I don't like filming on it, because if I just move a little bit, I feel like this will be out of focus, and I've been trying forever now. This is, I don't know how many takes to get the focus right on this. Good thing when I filmed the makeup, it was kind of in focus. Some of the parts weren't, because I was moving back and forth, and I shouldn't do that because I have you all set up perfectly, hopefully. Cross your fingers, because this is like my 5th take doing this. So I'm doing things a bit differently this year. I always try to switch it up or try my best to change it up, but I am filming with the Nikon, as I said, and I filmed the Get Ready With Me already, so I think that's already in focus, so I don't have to film it again. This is how my makeup turned out, and I'm going to be filming this over the next few days. It is not Halloween yet, so I have a few days just in case to reshoot this video, but this is how the makeup turned out. I'm pretty happy with it. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, I am going to be Barbie for Halloween, Western Barbie to be exact. So every year I try to select a Halloween costume that incorporates like something that I was obsessed with or was my favorite throughout the year or the lead up to Halloween, whatever it is. I've been Scooby-Doo, Cruella de Vil, a unicorn, a fairy, a 50s poodle girl. I've done so many costumes, and I've always loved how they come out. So this year I did my own version of Western Barbie. So I went to watch the movie this year and I loved it. I also have been obsessed with reading cowboy romance books, so that leads to the Western theme, as well as going to the Eras tour this year. It was like my favorite moment of 2023 so far. So I'm taking it back to Taylor Swift's roots and doing like the whole country vibe. So that is what made me decide on doing Western Barbie for this year's Halloween costume. So this is how the makeup turned out. I already filmed it. It is quite subtle, and I did not reference any like Barbie movie stills for this. This is just what I envisioned and what I went with myself, so no recreation there. This is kind of similar to what I did for my Eras Tour concert, but really toned down. I went all out. I went full hot pink glam with my Eras Tour makeup, but this is like a subtle version of that. It's still pink, and I did the hot pink liner and the same lipstick that I did when I went to the Eras Tour, but it isn't as caked on. I don't have as much foundation or as much glitter on my eyes, which I really appreciate, because for Halloween this year I'm just going to be in my apartment giving out candy to the neighborhood kids, so I still wanted to film this for myself and get dressed up, but I didn't really need to go all out. So before I jump into my Halloween costume, I thought I would share with you what I'm wearing while I got ready. So this headband and also this shirt is from Burlington. I just got it and I knew it would be perfect for this video. I got the viral Get Ready With Me headband. It was a set for $5 at Burlington, as well as this t-shirt that says Namaste in Bed. You can't really see it, I'll have to put an overlay, but it says Namaste in Bed and it has Barbie in her pajamas, and I thought this was a cute pajama shirt, and since I was Barbie I thought I would wear it for the Get Ready With Me, and the headband and the shirt match perfectly, so I thought, you know what, that is a cute detail. I totally am glad that I bought it when I went to Burlington last week. So yeah, cute Get Ready With Me shirt and headband. So this is the final makeup look, but if you want to see how I did this, I will insert that footage now. Starting off with my favorite product, I'm using this Wet n Wild serum. It's the perfect base, and then I'm using the Milani Under Eye Brightener. So a lot of these makeup products I've used over the years, or some are new. This is just my go-to routine at the moment. I added this year and I love it. It's the e.l.f. dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one, whatever it's called. I love this and it just blends so seamlessly. I might have to get another color for winter though. And I added foundation. I haven't been wearing foundation much recently, and I thought I would wear it because it's Halloween and stuff. This is the concealer that I've been using from Wet n Wild. A lot of my products are drugstore, and it's just really affordable makeup. I really haven't dived into the high-end products a lot these past few years, but I just blend that out. And most days when I'm just filming or here at home or just running errands and want to put on a bit of makeup, I just put on concealer, then I set my under eyes with this Wet n Wild. I love Wet n Wild, it seems like, but I do. Wet n Wild and e.l.f. are like my go-to products, so just have to set that in. And this has been with me since I think 2021 or whatever. I love this product. It is the concealer, and then we have blush. This is from e.l.f. Love the color. Blend that out. So this is just going rapidly. Oh, and I forgot, I'm listening to 1989 Taylor's version. It was so quiet, and then I realized, you know what, I can actually play music because I'm going to do a voiceover anyways. So you'll find some clips here of me just singing my heart out to 1989 Taylor's version. It's my favorite album, so I was jamming to that while doing my makeup. And now we're moving on to eyes, and this is my eye primer from Makeup Revolution. I'm not sure, I don't really remember. I'll link everything that I used in this video like I always do. So this is my go-to palette. I just love this, and I'm just blending the eyeshadow. And yeah, I'll have to link the colors and another singing dance break because of course. And then just blending it out, and I think I blended it too much because it's not as pink as I wanted it to, but it's okay. I don't really mind. Blend, blend, blend. And I just love the consistency of this eyeshadow palette though, and it's my go-to. I use the highlighter in this palette, or the highlighting shade, to do my inner corner, my brow bone, and also my actual highlight. And I used hot pink eyeliner instead of black eyeliner because that has been my go-to recently. I love this NYX pink eyeliner. Brushed it out because I got it all over my lashes before I put mascara on. I've been using a ColourPop mascara, but it's running out, so I need to try a new one. And I just applied a few coats of that to my lashes. No false lashes for this video because I'm just lazy and it's not a big event. So did some highlight there, and then we're doing my lips. I love this. I have a hot pink lip liner and I use that and I blend it out, and then I put a gloss on top, and it's just the perfect pink shade and I love it so much. Spray it, blend it out, and that is my Halloween makeup for 2023 and how it turned out. And that is how I did my makeup, as you saw. Really simple, really easy, didn't take me too long, and I really like how it turned out. Eyes could have been a little bit more pink and I could have put more blush, but I am happy with it since I'm not doing anything for Halloween anyways. Now that we are all done with makeup, I can talk you through, I guess, my hair. So I'm wearing a cowboy hat, so all I did was curl my hair. And if I was going to like a Halloween party or going out for Halloween this year, I would have done a blonde wig, but unfortunately I didn't, and I did it feel the need to spend more money than necessary. And speaking of which, now we can talk about how I put my costume together. I'm technically doing two parts for this costume like I did last year. I did two Little Mermaid costumes, so this year is kind of like that, but I just wanted to have two different options. So the Western cowboy Barbie look is first. I have many hot pink flared leggings, so that was like the core piece to my costume this year. So I started with that, and then I just bought the hot pink vest to go with it to match what it was like in the Barbie movie. And obviously it's not fitting the way I wanted it to, and it was too late to buy a new one or get a different size. I don't know how to like alter my clothes. I did try last year altering it and it just turned out badly, so I didn't try this year. So I added just a white t-shirt on top, and since it's a bit colder, I thought, you know what, it would be great if I did that. Then I bought the cowboy hat as well as the bandana and these cute little howdy cowboy hat earrings. I thought they were cute and subtle, and it was a fun addition to the costume. And this is how like my Western Barbie look turned out, as well as my shoes. I love these shoes. I wore them to my Love on Tour show as well as on my way to the Eras Tour show. And they're just white sneakers that have like silver diamond embellishments all over it. I thought they were fun and they were a cute addition to this outfit. That is my whole Western Barbie look, every detail of it, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And then for the second look, I guess, I pulled out this gingham dress in the back of my closet. I thought it would be fun. So I know Barbie wore a gingham dress or a gingham skirt in the movie, and it's technically not a whole recreation. It's just fun. So I wore my cowboy boots that I bought for the Eras Tour again. They're from Walmart. They were pretty affordable. They just were really painful because I didn't break them in before the concert, and I wore them for like 5 or 6 hours straight. Wearing them for a few minutes for these pictures and for this video, I did not mind whatsoever. They made the look so fun, and I just love this. It's also giving like country Taylor Swift vibes too, so that's why I chose this. And it was just a fun dress that I didn't get to wear too often, so I just put it on for this video, and I like how it turned out, and it was fun and twirly, and that's the second Barbie look. So there you have it. That was my whole like costume portion of this video. I love how it turned out, and you don't really need a lot of pieces for your costume. Over the years, I have just been buying certain things to recreate a certain look, and I love how it turns out, and I can reuse the pieces over again. I believe that is it for this year's Halloween Get Ready With Me and the costume and makeup that I did this year. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I will link a playlist of all my Halloween videos that I've done on this channel, from my Little Mermaid, Scooby-Doo, Unicorn. I've done so many, so if you want to check any of those out, that is down below. As always, I will link everything that I mentioned down below in the description. All my costume details, makeup details, what my lip combination is, what eyeshadow palette, anything and everything is always linked in the description. I try my hardest to put everything that I have talked about in my videos down there. Also, if you want to check out any of my social medias, I have BookTok and I have Bookstagram, or just my Instagram and TikTok. That is it for my Halloween Get Ready With Me for 2023. I do hope you enjoyed watching. I am done with spooky season now. I'm going to move on to all my festive Christmas content soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'm just going to stop rambling for this video and import the footage. Cross your fingers, none of this is blurry and it is fine, so I can continue on with my evening and not have to film this for the millionth time. And there you have it. That is it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed watching my Halloween Get Ready With Me. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!